Pennsylvania patients, it's me again, Medical Mary. And today, we're gonna take that tincture that we made and infuse some gummies. Let's use something silicone to put the gummies in, to put the tincture on, so it's not gonna mess up a plate. Here's the silicone. Seemed easy enough. Let's let these dry out. Should we do the other side? Okay. It's been about an hour, maybe 2. How about a taste test? That was really good. Let's see how the effects are. I guess you could flip them and drip the other side and let it dry out if you want it stronger. But that was pretty easy. I highly suggest it for these gummies. Sour Patch Kids. I'd say the effects are pretty good. I like these because it hits you faster than like butter edibles. And I don't want to make my own gummies. Way better. Happy medicating. What?